Good morning, everybody. And ho, 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 Christmas came early. Christmas came early. I signed up for the Secret Santa with Marissa, the crafty heifer. She's done this for a few years. I think I missed last year. Or maybe I didn't. Anyhow, I signed up to do the Secret Santa gift exchange, and it's run through Elfster, and you can go on Elfster and you can put in all kinds of items that you might like, and then you get matched up with somebody and they go purchase for you and you purchase for your person. I haven't made my purchase yet, but I'm glad I haven't because my person's been adding new things. So I have more choices now. So this is my Secret Santa gift. It was just a total surprise. One day Amazon was here and I was like, whoa, why is Amazon here? Secret Santa, ho, ho, ho. So do you want to see what I got? I do. All right, this is cool. I'm back into crocheting, you guys. I really, really am into crocheting. Don't you love this shawl? Look at how pretty that is. So it is modern crocheted shawls. Easy and beautiful shawl patterns for beginners. So it's a book of patterns for different shawls. Yay! All right. I'm working on one. I've got one just about finished, and I've got some more yarn coming, and I'm into the making shawl thing. It's fun. Okay. So a book of patterns for shawls. Thank you to my Secret Santa. There's all kinds of little notes in here for all the little purchases, gift things. Enjoy your gift from a friend. Enjoy your gift. I hope you don't already have this from your Elfster friend. Enjoy your gift. Happy Elfster. Okay, so lots of little notes, little gift notes. All right. Oh, I'm going to save that till the end. I know what that is. Okay, look at this. Oh, you guys, look at this. Best Friend Forever Dachshund coloring book. Yay. Oh my gosh, look at this colorful dachshund. Isn't that fun? Oh, me and my dachshunds. I love my dachshunds. Well, that's not a dachshund. No, that one's not. That must be, is it a sample from another book? Sometimes they do that at the back. They put little samples in. I don't know. No, okay, they're not all dachshunds. All right, Basset Hound. Frenchie, maybe. That's some sort of a bully breed. A little Pomeranian, how cute. There's a dachshund. That one's a dachshund for sure, right? So is this one, floral dachshund. Look, the dachshunds have to go this way. You notice the other ones were all portrait? No, dachshunds need landscape. Oh, look it, a robot dachshund. How cute. These will be fun. Oh, look it, a dachshund in a tub. He's taking a bath. Okay, this guy gets to go this way. Cute. Love it. Oh, we're back to long dog again. Love these. These are cute. Thank you. This is wonderful. These are so cute. Test your color. Oh, you can test your color there. Okay. Well, that's a good idea. If you want to test your colors you want to use, you can color on here a little bit. That's a nifty idea. I like that. Cool. Thank you. I love it. So I can crochet, I can color, and then I can organize. This is cool. All right. How do I get into it? I don't know. Right here. Sorry. Hang on for crinkle. I currently have just a bag. It's almost just like one of those shopping bags. And that's what I've been putting all of my yarn and everything in. But look at this. You guys, look at this. This is a cool bag. Look at it. All right, so you have your handles, all right? You got a place in the front where you can put hooks and needles and whatever you want to put in here. Love that. This does open up to a flat bottom. Let's open it up. Flat bottom, girls. No, wrong. Okay, so it'll stand up. It'll get flat. It's got a good amount of room inside. It's all folded up. We gotta unfold everything. It gets larger as you unfold. Got a nice pocket here. You can put, whatever you want in there. maybe a whole, I might have hooks in a container. I could put the whole container in there. This snaps. Look, we got 2 little Velcro straps here. I don't know what those are for, but this has 2 big pockets in the back. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love this. So this is 2 sections now that I've got it all apart. It is 2 sections. This side zips closed. All right. And this side, I don't know, maybe it's supposed to Velcro closed somehow. I don't rightly know. I would think, I don't know. We'll play with it. It's cool though. Look at all the stuff you can store in here. You can keep a little project in there. And look at here. A pouch there and more loops here to put things. You can store a bunch of stuff in here. This is awesome. I don't have anything like this. This is cool. This is absolutely cool. I am loving this. I'm loving this. Look at how big this is in here. You can put, I could stuff that whole shawl I'm working on in there and my yarn and tote this around, right? I love it. And then you got a whole nother section, right? Just fill it up. I can have 2 shawls going, one in the front, one in the back. I love it. Thank you so much. That is awesome. I love it. I love it. Nice, nice choices you made off of my list, you guys. Nice, nice choices. I love everything. Thank you so much. I suppose I should go purchase for my Secret Santa now. Right? Now I'm inspired. I need to go purchase for mine. Thank you. Thank you so much. It's wonderful. I so appreciate it. I really do. And it was fun. Great gifts. Love it. Okay, I'm going to go and I'm going to go purchase for mine now. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you soon. Bye. I'm back. I decided to throw this in at the end of my Secret Santa video because, well, I got some gifts here too. I bought some stuff, but this lady was so sweet. Okay, you guys, I went to this lady's house. I found her on Facebook Marketplace and I was like, yes, please. I got to go get some of these. Okay. So I made a purchase and then she just threw in other stuff. She's like, here, take one of these, take one of these. I'm like, real? Okay. All right. What a sweet lady. I think I was there, I don't know, 45 minutes probably. She had the cutest dogs. She had a long-haired mini dachshund and oh my gosh, we just talked and talked. She was the nicest lady. Okay. Do you want to see what I bought? I'll show you what I bought first. And then I'll show you the stuff that she just gave me. Look. Okay, they need to be like de-haired. Their hair is coming off a little. So I need to, clean them up a bit. But look at it. Go green, go green. It's an MSU gnome. Look at him, right? And I don't know what she stuffs them with, but they're stuffed, man. They got stuff in them. Cute. I should have asked her. I never did ask her what she stuffed him with. But isn't he cute? This is pantyhose. His nose is pantyhose. I don't even know where you buy pantyhose anymore, right? You used to be able to find them in every convenience store. They would have like a legs display. Do you remember those? Legs. Isn't he cute? So I got him. All right. And then I got this one. Look at him. His nose is a little tanner. He's got a different color pantyhose. A different color panty nose. No, that sounds wrong. Jeez. Oh boy, yeah. He needs to be cleaned up. His beard's shedding a little bit. He needs a little cleanup. Clean up on Nomi nose there. But look at how cute, right? Oh, hey, hello, stand up. Hello. Flat bottom. Here we go again. All right, there we go. It's just it's a bottom kind of day, I guess. And then there's a Christmassy one with poinsettias. I love this print that she put on that one. Pretty cool, right? There, stand up. That's my 3 wise gnomes. There they are. Okay, so that's what I purchased. And actually, you guys, you know what? I was $1 short. I was $1 short. And she's like, don't worry about it. I'm like, my husband's in the car. Don't worry about it. And then she threw in stuff. I'm like, oh my gosh, what a sweet lady. Anyhow, this was the first thing. She said, here, take one of these. I give everybody one of these that makes a purchase. They're jar openers. So you just, put your thing on your jar. Like, okay, here, have some Gatorade. Put it on your jar and it helps you twist. Why does it help you twist your jar lid off? because it's rubber or this silicone stuff on the inside, which grips. I'm not going to open this. This is for the chickens. I know, chickens, Gatorade. I know. Electrolytes. I'm just rambling. Anyhow, so she threw that in, and then she had all of these balls on her couch. They were all over the place, these balls. And I was like, what are those? She goes, oh, those are snowballs. And she picks one up and she threw it at me. She was the funniest thing. I really enjoyed my time with her. Her card's in here. Not that you guys are ever going to come purchase from her, but she does memory bears, gnomes. Oh, the bowls, like when you put your hot bowl in the, you know what I mean? Like a quilted thing, you know what I mean? Personal totes. She had really nice tote bags. Embroidery burp cloths, jar lid openers, and more. Her name's Luann. Guys, she's the sweetest thing. If you're ever in Michigan, or if you want, I don't know if she ships. She probably doesn't ship. I don't know. But anyhow, here's my snowballs. Look it. She said she was going to give me these two. Look, this is totally MSU, right? Green and oh my gosh. Because these were her testers, the first ones that she made. She's like, yeah, they're not perfect. They got a couple little flaws. Here, you take these. She says, we talked about dogs so much. And she said, do your dogs chew up their toys? I'm like, no. One doesn't even have any teeth. So she said, take the snowballs. I'm like, oh my goodness, that was so much fun. So seriously, you guys, that was just a fun little extra Christmas gift. And I thought I'd throw it in here. Isn't it cute? Cute. That was fun. That was a good time. Look at their noses. They're all different. Look at, he's a light nose. He's a medium nose. And he's a darker nose. Look. We're inclusive. You know what? That's a funny story. She did have an African-American lady contact her and ask if she ever did any noses for gnomes of color. And she said, well, I haven't, but I can. And so the lady ordered like 5. Oh boy. How funny, right? Okay. All right. I'm going to go now. I'm done. I just had so much fun. I had a blast with that. Thank you, Secret Santa. Thank you, thank you. I'm having a good old time. All right. Now I'm done. Now I'll talk to you later. Okay? Okay. Bye.